ẹjọ́ àròjù ló mú kí ìyàwó ọba kó pera rẹ̀ níyàwó ọ̀bọ. ẹjọ́ àròjù ló mú kí ìyàwó ọba kó pera rẹ̀ níyàwó ọ̀bọ. Imagine, the king's wife is highly respected in the city, but she's fond of talking too much. One day, as she was talking, she has forgotten herself. You know, the pronunciation for Oba and for Obo, they sound similar, only differ by a letter. Now, as she was talking, she was boasting, and she was about saying, èmi ìyàwó Oba. And she said, èmi ìyàwó Obo. Now, people said, this woman knows her husband more than us. She knows the king more than us. Probably, our king must be a monkey. Now, by that saying, she has talked too much and painted her husband in a bad image before people. Now, when we are talking, when we are boasting, when we are in public places, we should be careful of how we talk, of how we express ourselves. Everything has limits. When you talk small, keep quiet. If you didn't say what is wrong, they won't say they should go and pick you. Ìyàwó ọba tó pẹ̀rẹ̀ ìyàwó ọ̀bọ, ẹjọ́ àròjù òun ló fà á.